Good morning, friends! Congress has announced that there are billions of dollars left over in stimulus relief funds. So many of our lawmakers have officially proposed a new stimulus relief plan that would provide eligible residents with extra crisis relief aid. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn if you are able to claim this big check. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you would like to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this coming Friday, then please be sure to listen for the keyword from this video.
Not only the chair of the Small Business Committee, which would be reason enough to celebrate her leadership in the Congress, but very high up in the Financial Services Committee, where she works for consumers as well as small businesses on that committee as well. And as Yvette Clarke mentioned, she's on the Energy and Commerce Committee. This piece that she emphasized about broadband is very, very important, because when we're talking about workforce development and so many other aspects of America's working families, that has made a tremendous difference. She was very important in the whole bill, but especially that part that came under her committee. I associate myself with the remarks that they've all made because they've gone to the point, but I just want to make a point about these New York representatives, all of them here. New York in this bill gets $11.6 billion, $11.6 billion to repair highways, $9.8 billion to improve public transit, $1.9 billion to fix and replace bridges, and $685 million to upgrade airports. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of jobs. And you know what? Davis Bacon. Davis Bacon. What we're talking.
So millions of Americans across multiple states are expected to receive SNAP benefits worth up to $1,504 this month, unless they missed a deadline to apply for the food stamps. According to CNBC News, residents of the states of California, Colorado, Idaho, Nevada, Iowa, Kansas, South Dakota, Washington, D.C., and Oklahoma can expect to receive their food stamps very soon, this month. CNBC has stated that a temporary expansion to food stamp benefits have helped millions of families buy groceries during this crisis. The extension currently has an April 15th deadline, and states will no longer be able to provide the extra Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits after that. The extension currently has an April 15th deadline, and states will no longer be able to provide the extra Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits after that date. About 41 million individuals are eligible for food stamps, which helps low-income families purchase groceries, and the maximum amount that a family of 8 can receive in food stamps is currently $1,504. Americans must apply for SNAP in the state in which they reside in and meet certain bank balance limits. CNBC says that there is also a new program called the Restaurant Meals Program that covers people with disabilities and people experiencing homelessness. This program is most widely available in California and Arizona, and newer entrants such as the state of Maryland and Illinois are still ramping up their operations. Nutrition experts and advocates say that the program's sudden growth is part of a larger push to expand SNAP benefits during the crisis, as well as an overdue reckoning around home cooking and federal nutrition aid. U.S. policy has long assumed that the best way to feed hungry people is to encourage them to cook for themselves. But many lawmakers have warned that many Americans no longer have the resources or physical ability to prepare the kinds of recipes that lawmakers envisioned at the launch of the Nutrition Assistance Program. Restaurant Meals has faced challenges and opposition in several states, often over the nutrition and cost of the meals that it offers. These programs has also drawn criticism for allowing participants to eat at fast food chains, Some states have found it very difficult to implement, with fewer restaurants choosing to participate than advocates expected. In the state of Illinois, for example, approved legislation 2 years ago, but has not had a program up running yet. Just recently, many states, including Arizona, California, Maryland, Michigan, Rhode Island, and Virginia, have decided to allow some SNAP beneficiaries eat at restaurants. So friends, what are your thoughts on the current restaurant meals programs? Do you think it is helping Americans enough? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now 2 years and 6 relief bills into this crisis, the United States has spent the majority of its available rescue funding. But billions of dollars across a handful of categories have not gone out the door. Beginning under the former president and continuing through President Biden's administration, Congress has approved some $4.5 trillion in total aid spending. According to the Treasury Department data, federal agencies have formally committed to using about $4 trillion of that and have made about $3.5 trillion in actual payments to date. It has been reported that $500 billion in stimulus relief funds have not been spent. The shocking news, friends, is that the $500 billion or so in available relief resources that have not yet been obligated may not end up being spent by these agencies. There are deadlines for making these commitments, and they could even span for several years. The details also vary by program. Funds that are not eventually obligated are returned for other government uses. Friends, the keyword for this video is sunshine. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and also additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. What agencies can commit to spending may differ from the initial estimates put forth in these bills, or they may just plan to use the funds over a long period of time. A Congressional Budget Office estimate of outlays for March 2021's nearly $2 trillion American Rescue Plan shows 40% of total spending is set to take place between 2022 and the year 2030. Education, healthcare, and disaster relief are among the areas where the government has underspent its obligated funds. Well, friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for everyone who is watching and has joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please, friends, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information.